Hey, this is Jake Burt with Burt Brothers Tire, and here with another QuickCare Car tip. It's on everybody's mind, and it's all about what can we do to save money in gas and fuel in our cars. How can we make our cars more fuel efficient? Just a few things we want to talk about. Like we talked about last time, checking your tire pressure is crucial. Make sure you're at that right pressure. Maybe you've had a little bit more in it for the winter months. Stop by any one of our locations right here to get that taken care of. Adjust it to the proper pressure and just make sure they're all the same, what they need to be for the vehicle specifications to optimize that fuel mileage right there. Some other things that you can do is just checking out under the hood, making sure your air filter is properly cleaned, and if it needs attention, you're going to want to help that out. This is all the flow from the engine that keeps the engine cool and keeps it running. There's other services that we can do, cleaning out your fuel injectors just to make sure everything's firing on all cylinders and maximizing the most that you can do for fuel economy in your car. And also, just a general rule, take a look at your vehicle. Maybe it's time to clean out the trunk. Maybe you had some sandbags or salt in the trunk for winter traction. Take all that kind of stuff out now. Maybe do a little spring cleaning in the vehicle right there to remove some excess weight that could be in there that would be impeding, your fuel mileage. And then also just, be courteous driving out there. Try not to be the first guy off the line in those heavy accelerations right there. That really takes fuel mileage down. Even leaving your car idling for more than a minute can burn quite a bit of fuel right there. So try to conserve all those kind of things. We hope it'll put more money in your pocket, and you can get out and get traveling this year and just enjoy every moment. So thanks for listening. Tune in next month.